Hi, I'm Jessica League, and I'm your AP Research teacher this year. I have taught in Fayette County schools for about 10 years, and I'm actually a graduate of Fayette County High School, class of 2003. I'm really looking forward to working with you. This is a difficult class, it's a challenging class, but it's also a very rewarding class, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. I have several links in the description below to resources that will help you out. But I hope that you don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions about anything. Thank you so much. Bye. AP Research, the second course in the AP Capstone experience, allows students to deeply explore an academic topic, problem, issue, or idea of individual interest. Students design, plan, and implement a year-long investigation to address a research question. Through this inquiry, they further the skills they acquired in AP Seminar by learning research methodology, employing ethical research practices, and accessing, analyzing, and synthesizing information. The course culminates in an academic paper of 4,000 to 5,000 words and a presentation with an oral defense. Students reflect on their skill development, document their processes, and curate the artifacts of their scholarly work through a process and reflection portfolio, or the PREP. AP Research is not tied to a specific content area. Rather, it emphasizes and strives for competency and core academic skills. In this class, students should have a 3-ring binder for notes and handouts, a composition or spiral notebook for quick writes and journals, pencils, pens, and highlighters, and of course, a charged Chromebook. Each student must record each step of the process in the Process and Reflection Portfolio, or the PREP. Examples of assessed products will include graphics used to develop a targeted research question, an inquiry proposal, an annotated bibliography, and a literature review. They'll also have some written reflections of all stages of the research process. Students will not take a final exam for this course. Instead, they'll be graded at the end of the course based on their performance assessment. 75% of that grade is based on their semester-long academic research paper, which is 4,000 to 5,000 words. It will include an introduction in which they introduce the background of their research and their research question, a method, process, or approach for conducting their research, the results, products, or findings from their research, a discussion, analysis, and evaluation of those findings or results, conclusion and future directions, and of course their bibliography. The remaining 25% of that grade comes from their presentation and oral defense, which is about a 15 to 20 minute presentation where they'll present their research and then defend their research and the decisions they made throughout the process in front of a panel of about 3 teachers. This course is a lot of work and a great learning experience. So, let's get started.